Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. I am about to get ready to go to the doctor's because I haven't been to sleep. I've been coughing all night. I cannot lay down without coughing or me feeling like I'm about to fucking die. Like all fucking night, all fucking morning. I've been up since what, 1 something this morning. This is really it's really killing me, but I'm about to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to doctors, going to doctors. Okay guys, so let me show you guys I'm dressed. I don't know if that even matters. It doesn't matter. But I'm dressed. I got on this. Yeah, don't feel good, bro. Put a cough drop in. I'm up taking me some of this Dayquil, Dayquil. I put my tea in the microwave, and then I'm on my way to the doctor's. Okay, guys, so now I'm in my car. I'm on my way to the doctor's. Give you guys an update. It's like almost 11 o'clock, and I've been at the doctor's office since 8 something, so still waiting to be called. So yeah, this is why I hate coming to the doctor's office. Okay, it's freaking 1:30. Got 3 people ahead of me, so almost fucking there. So I feel like by the time I get seen, it's gonna be damn near fucking 2 o'clock, if not fucking 3. Treatment they were gonna say is my asthma, so they're putting me on breathing treatment. Alright, so I'm done. I still got a little cough. You hear a little bit. So they're saying it's my asthma and allergies and all the other shit because my nose is stomped up. It's making it hard for me to breathe and all this extra shit. I don't fucking know. I was just trying to figure out, like, if it was my asthma, then why the fuck when I used my pump it didn't work? And they're just saying because some coughs are more stickier than others or some bullshit like that. I don't fucking know. But like I said, it's almost 2:40. The all day thing here. All day, but at the same time, I guess they only had 1 physician when they usually have 3, so that's really why it took all day. But still. Guys, I'm at Five Below now. I think I want to get me some shorts because I had came here the other day and I got me some strawberry shortcake ones. Ooh, look at the gingerbread. So cute. This time. I need extra large. That is cute. Yeah. Just one bag. I already got all my medicine. It's like a big bag. Medicine. Got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things of medicine. And then oh, 6. Okay. Then I'm gonna show you guys everything I got from Five Below. So I went to Five Below. So I wanted another shirt. So I went and I got me. I went and got a SpongeBob shirt from Five Below, and then I got this. This is Garfield. Yeah, this Garfield one. I got large. Might get extra large sleepwear. And then I got these like pop hooks. So yeah, I'm put this on my door for my keys. And then I got me a scrub daddy, but it's a dog. Like, it's a dog. Yeah, it's so cute. And that's it. I'm about to leave again, go to the Wii show, to the show. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back from the show and I got my stuff. So put it here. Got this. We got the in there. And then I stopped at CVS and I got me a little humidifier. I'm gonna put some of my medicine in it as well. Right now, that's it. I showed you guys I got wings and stuff from Walmart, right? I'm not for sure, but I think I did. I'm not sure. But I did get some green beans and some chicken that I'm gonna plan on cooking when I get out the shower. I just want to clean up my kitchen just a little bit, just clean the counters and stuff off, and then go get in the shower. I do my humidifier. Yeah. Wow, this is cute. And then we're gonna put it on there. This looks cute. Should I put the other one like right here? I don't know. So now I'm about to get in the shower. My head is killing me. It's because I've been like all day. But let me show you guys the soap I got. I went to Dove. I got this pomegranate one. I haven't had that one yet. And then my Old Faithful cucumber one. Hey guys, today is Saturday. I don't know what day. 23rd, 24th, somewhere around there. I'm back to you guys. I went to the Dollar Tree this morning. I actually did go get my oil changed. Yesterday I was having like the hardest time getting my oil changed. They're trying to overcharge me. So the south side this morning, I got my oil change, whatever. And then I went to the Dollar Tree and look what I got, guys. Isn't this so cute? Welcome inside. We're all the same. They're not, but this is cute. This is a doormat. It's like, you know, Easter vibes. And then I got some wash rags, multi-purpose, which is the counters. I got me a new mop head. Needed that. And then I got a whole bunch of, I got a little air press stuff in my car. And then I got 2 automotive glass wipes. And then I got the all-purpose cleaner, multi-surface cleaning wipes, citric scent for my car. I'm gonna clean my car out today, if I get to it. And I got these little rags. And then I got these little cute SpongeBob stickers I'm gonna put around my doors, like by my door, the light switches, which is so cute. And then I'm working on like affirmation wall, like a wall of encouragement, like a whole bunch of scriptures. So I got this little thingy right here, and this one says, "Don't worry about anything, instead pray about everything." Okay, I like that. And then I got this one, and it says, "Be patient, be gentle, be humble, and be loving." Ephesians 4:2. Got that one. And that's all I got, guys. I just wanted to show you guys that. We got the latest stuff out on the floor in the front of my house.